Hello everybody, in this video we will learn how to create notification for our custom calendar view events. As shown in example, here we will create new event with alarm. Say go to work and set time for alarm as 9 and, and here we need to check the alarm me checkbox and click add event. Now we will follow the notification. Okay, after 1 minute the notification appear with event we added and the time of event. Okay. Also, when user long press on the day to show events, he has a button to show the notification of event. The user can click on the button to disable the alarm. He can also click again to enable alarm again. Now we show the event alarm notification again. Let's start our app. First, we will start from layout, add new event layout. Need to open XML file. Here in this linear layout, we need to add checkbox here. Set layout width as wrap content and layout height as wrap content, and set ID alarm me. We need to set text as alarm me. We need to set text color Android color white, and bottom tent as Android color white. Okay. Now we need to set layout for layout weight as 1 for this button and layout weight as 2 for text view and checkbox layout weight as 1, and this text view we need to make its width as wrap content. Now the layout appear as this. Okay, now we need to create button for notification in show events row layout. We need to add image button here. Sorry. Layout width 15 dB and layout height 50 dB. ID alarm button. We need to set layout gravity center. We need to set margin top 10 dB. We need to create two image assets. We need to set notification on choose first choose here action bar and tabs icon and choose clip art and click on this button to choose the clip art, and here when choose all and type notification and choose this notification, click OK and make the scene hollow dark, click next and click finish. As the same way, create image asset as notification off, and choose notification off, and choose clip art as notification off. Click OK. Send next. Next, I have created one before here. Now we need to set background resource at drawable IC notification off. Also, we need to create background color for bot at color primary dark. Okay, now our layout is ready. Now we need to make changes in our database OpenHelper class and database structure class. We need to create two column names. Sorry. The first column for ID and name it ID capital I and capital D, and notify column and name it notify. It's optional for you. In OpenHelper class, we need to create changes. The first change here, we need to change the query text. We need to add notify column plus we need to make it as text. Okay, here we need to upgrade the version of database to call the new upgrade method to drop the old table and create the new table. Okay, to upgrade our database, we need to go to database structure class, and this integer database version, we need to increase it from 1 to 2. Here we need to create method to get the ID event. Copy read events method and paste it here and name it read ID events. Here we need to add new parameters, string event and string time with string date. Here we need to change the projections. We need to change it to ID and notify. We need to update the selection arguments. We need to add selection arguments as arrangement of the selection statement, date first, event second, and time third. Also, we need to create update event. This method will take selection arguments of the update ID event. And also we need to add one argument as string notify value. Here we need to copy content values here and change event to notify column and this value as notify. We need to select selection arguments of this method. and we need to return to make database update. We need to copy these parameters and change projection to content values and selection as it and selection arguments. This method will update the notification column value. Now our database is ready. Now in custom calendar view class, we need to create 5 integer values: alarm year, alarm month, alarm day, alarm hour, and alarm minute. We need to go to the on item click listener event of grid view. Here we need to define the checkbox first. Is equal to add view dot find view by id r.id dot alarm me. We're going to go to layout, checkbox alarm me. We need to rebuild our project. Okay, if this error is still exists with you, you can, after rebuild, if this exists, you can switch, turn off Android Studio and open it again. It will fix it. Okay, now we need to go to recycler adapter. We need to define the button, image button, set alarm, set alarm is equal to item view, find view by id r.id dot. We need to go show events through layout, and we need to get this id here. Okay, semicolon. Now we need to create alarm receiver. We need to create new Java class. Name it alarm receiver. This class extends to broadcast receiver. Click Alt and Enter and implement onReceive method. And onReceive method, we create the notification here. Get the notification event title and content from intent here. We need to create string event is equal to intent dot get string extra with key event, and string time is equal to intent dot get string extra, and delimit the key time. We need to get notification ID is equal to intent dot get int extra. Here we need to pass the key ID and default value as 0. Here we need to create new intent for starting the main activity. It's equal to new intent. We need to cast the context of onReceive method and main activity class. We need to create pending intent is equal to pending intent dot get activity. We need to cast context here and request code as 0 and intent is activity intent and we need to set flag one shoot. Here we need to create string channel ID it's optional for you to use the name of channel and the car sequence channel name and string description as description. We need to get condition for build version. Sorry, the version dot SCD integer more than or equal to build dot version codes dot Android Oreo. In this case, we need to create the channel notification channel is equal to new notification channel. We need to cast the channel ID and channel name and importance notification manager dot importance high. We need to set description as description. We need to create notification manager is equal to context dot get system service notification manager dot class. We need to set or create the channel from notification manager to create notification channel and cast the channel here. Now we create notification is equal to notification compat dot builder. We need to cast context, so we need to create new notification compat and channel ID. Sorry, we need to set small icon part of web not IC launcher to set sound ringtone manager dot get default URI ringtone manager dot notification type dot set content set content title as event dot set content text as time and set content intent as pending on intent. We need to set group name the group calendar view dot build. Now we need to call notification combat, notification manager combat. Notification manager combat is equal to notification manager combat from and cast context here. We need to notify the notification. We need to cast notification ID and notification here. Okay, now our broadcast receiver is ready. We need to register receiver in manifest file. In the application part here, after activity, we need to create receiver and set it enabled, export it true and enable true. Okay, here we need to get the alarm year, alarm month, alarm day. How we can get it from calendar, date calendar is equal to calendar.license. We need to set the time of calendar as the date by positions of the single cell. We need to set it date calendar dot set time dates array lets dot get date of position. Now we need to set alarm year is equal to date calendar dot get calendar dot year. Alarm month is equal to date calendar dot get calendar dot month. Alarm day to create alarm day alarm day is equal to date calendar dot get calendar dot day of the month. Here we need to set the time calendar. When user set the event time, the time alarm time will be set alarm hour is equal to c dot get calendar dot hour of the day, and alarm minute is equal to c dot get calendar dot minute. Okay. Now we need to create set alarm method. But now here we need to check if checkbox is enabled of alarm me dot is checked, else okay. In this save event method we need to add one parameter again as on, and this parameter as off. We need to go to this method. We need to add string notify, and in database helper we need to cast notify and open this method from open helper and cast it here. And content values, we need to add one content values dot notify and was notify. apply here. Okay, works well. Now we need to create set alarm method, private void set alarm. This method we need to cast calendar, and we need to cast event string and string time and integer request code. We need to create new intent. Here we need to cast context to get application context. It's important, and we need to cast alarm receiver class. In this intent, we need to send the event data. Intent dot put Kestra. We need to add key event here, and its value is event parameter. We need to copy this line. Set this time key and time and ID and set request code. Okay. Now we need to create pending intent for alarm manager. Is equal to pending intent dot get broadcast receiver. Get broadcast. We need to cast context dot. We need to cast context and request code and intent and pending intent flag one shoot. We need to create alarm manager is equal to alarm manager. We need to cast context to get application context. Sorry. Dot get system service. We need to cast context dot alarm service. We need to set alarm. Here we need to cast lookup type alarm manager dot RTC lookup, and we need to get the time from calendar dot get time in milliseconds, and finally pending intent. Okay. Here we need to set alarm. First we need to get calendar is equal to calendar dot get instance and set time of calendar dot set alarm year and alarm month and alarm day and alarm hour and alarm minute. First we need to cast calendar and event name dot get text to string and event time dot get text to string. Okay, the request code here, we need to get it. Okay, private integer get request code. We need to cast string date and string event and string time. We need to open new integer equals 0. Need to copy this line, copy it here, remove these values and this, and name it code here to get integer and get id column, and here we need to return code. Okay, we need to call this method here. We need to get date string and these parameters again. Okay. Now our add event layout is ready. In recycler adapter, we need to create method to check if the notification is on or off. Private boolean is alarm. We need to pass string event date and string event name and string time. We need to copy, sorry, this method. We need to copy it here. We need to start boolean alarm is equal to false. We need to get string notify, sorry, notify here and set it with string. We need to add change this method, return to custom calendar view class, and this read method change it to read ID events and cast here event name and time. Okay, and this method already read ID events, and need to cast event and time. If notify dot equals on, alarm equal to true, else alarm equal to false, and we need to return alarm. Here we need to check is alarm if is alarm. We need to get even the date and get even time, loop event and events to get even time. We need to set background resource for the bot r.drawable.on notify that's changed, else and set it off, notification off. Okay, now we need to set on-click listener for set alarm bot. Also we need to get check method. Here we need to create set alarm method here. We need to copy it here and copy one method to cancel alarm. We need for that alarm.cancel. We need to cancel the pending intent for request code. We need to cast here method. Okay. We need to create get request method again here. And also need to create update method. We need to cast these parameters here and add one parameter. Copy these two lines and change the writable database and call the update method from open helper. We need to cast date and event and time and notify, and finally database and close the open helper. Here we need to copy this line here and change it to off, and we need to cancel alarm. We need to get request code events dot get date events dot get time and events dot get events dot get event and events dot get time. Okay, now we need to update event plus three parameters here, and the first parameter is off, and notify that this is changed. Else we need to set alarm here. Here we need to get calendar. We need to open 5 integers. Okay. Calendar is equal to calendar dot get instance. We need to copy from grade adapter, open grade adapter, and copy this method here, and copy another method for convert string to time. Change the pattern as k small, m small, m small, and name this calendar as date calendar, and create new calendar instance and name it time calendar. Date calendar dot set time, convert string to date. We need to get date here, and alarm here is equal to date calendar dot get calendar dot here, and alarm month is equal to date calendar dot get calendar dot months, and end alarm day is equal to date calendar dot get calendar dot day of the month, and in time calendar dot set time, convert string to time, sorry, we need to get time event and open integer alarm hour is equal to time calendar dot get calendar dot hour of the day, and alarm minute is equal to time calendar dot get calendar dot minute. Here we need to open calendar, alarm, calendar is equal to calendar.get instance, alarm calendar dot set alarm year and alarm month and alarm day and alarm hour and alarm minute. Inside calendar numbers we need to cast alarm calendar and events dot get date, sorry, dot get event and events dot get time, and finally get request code and cast events dot get date and events dot get time and events dot get dot get event, and finally events dot get time. Finally, we need to update event to on and notify the dataset changed. Now we need to open emulator. I will pause my video. Now let's run our app. Okay, let's try. We need to add new event and set alarm. Let's check notification. The notification appears ahead. Go to home. Okay, now we set another event. Now we need to check the log click. Okay, there is an error in viewing the events. We need to check it from login. Okay. Now here we need to cancel alarm and set alarm again. Okay, notification appears. I now add a new event. Now to cancel alarm. Now we need to set alarm. Okay, it works. Thank you. I hope my video add values for you. I need to you if you like my videos, you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.